Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. The Redmi Note 9 Pro Max comes with the Snapdragon 723 processor, a 64 megapixel rear camera and a 32 megapixel front camera. The one variant that we're going to unbox for you comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 of storage. So let's quickly see what you get inside the box. This should be the box for all the documents and the case, and this is the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max in person, and I'm gonna turn it on. The variant that we received from Xiaomi is the Interstellar Black color, and as you can see, it does look pretty good. Now I have let's take a look at what else you get in the box. There's one layer out, and this is the 33-watt fast charger that you get out of the box, and that basically charges the 5000 mAh battery you get in the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. And this is the fast charging cable that you get. As you can see, it can be distinguished by the orange markings at the tips of the cable. Now we're going to quickly take a look at what else you get in the box. Here's the SIM pin remover, where you can remove the SIM card tray using this pin. And then there's some documents which we're going to quickly take a look. This is the user guide that you get with the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max inside. And there's a CPU silicone case that should offer some level of protection to the smartphone. We're going to quickly check how the case fits the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and by the looks of it, it does fit pretty well, absolutely perfectly, with some raised edges for extra protection. Now, the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max comes with a large 6.67-inch display, a Snapdragon 723 SoC, and a 64 megapixel quad camera setup, including a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Using the smartphone, it does look pretty fast and snappy, owing to the fast 7 series processor, but a lot more investigation needs to be done to be sure just how the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max performs. For now, we're gonna end this video right here. Thanks a lot for watching.